Hello guys! Today I've got the XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and I'm going to show you how to fix apps crashing on your device. The first thing is that I need to fix the orientation. Okay, now we are here. We are here. So the first thing, if your applications are crashing, you need to detect which ones. If you do, scroll down to the apps. Now select the one application, for example, from the list that crashes you. Crashes. For example, let it be LinkedIn. Here, as you can see, I've never used LinkedIn on my device, so let me find other application, for example, camera. Tap clear data, clear all data. Okay, and now, everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine, you need to go to the next thing. Open the Play Store and you need to be signed into your account. Try to update your applications to the latest versions. If it doesn't work, you need to just reinstall them. Goodbye.